In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove old email suggestions on Gmail 5 minutes. If you keep seeing outdated or mistyped addresses pop up when you start a new email, those suggestions usually come from Google Contacts, specifically a section called Other Contacts. Gmail automatically adds people you've emailed to that list so it can suggest them later. To stop an old address from appearing, you'll remove it from that list. Here's how to do it clearly and safely. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser and signing in. Once you're in your inbox, look at the top right corner for the Google Apps icon. It's the small grid of dots. Click that to open the app launcher, then choose Contacts. This takes you to your Google Contacts, which is where Gmail pulls address suggestions from. Inside Google Contacts, look at the left side menu and select Other Contacts. This is different from your main contacts list. Other Contacts contains people Gmail saved automatically, even if you never created a full contact for them. The addresses you want to remove from suggestions are usually found here. Find the email you want to remove and click it to open its details page. If you have a long list, use the search bar at the top to quickly locate the exact address. Opening the contact helps you confirm you've selected the right one before you delete anything. On the contact page, look for the More Actions button. It appears as three vertical dots, typically near the top right of the contact card. Click it to open a small menu, then choose Delete. Gmail will ask you to confirm so you don't remove something by mistake. Click Delete again to confirm. That's it. The contact is now removed, and Gmail will stop suggesting that address when you compose a new message. If you still see it in the autocomplete list immediately, give it a moment or refresh your browser tab. Sometimes it takes a little time to update. You can repeat these steps for any other old or incorrect addresses you want to clean up. A couple of quick notes for clarity. Removing a contact does not delete any emails you've previously exchanged with that address. Your messages stay in your inbox and folders. This only affects the autocomplete suggestions when you start typing in the to, CC, or BCC fields. Once you're done, head back to Gmail and try composing a message to confirm the suggestion no longer appears. Thanks for watching and enjoy a cleaner, more accurate autocomplete experience.